Hi to every one of you. Today we are celebrating our 13 years anniversary, 21st of September 2025 in Monkey Canopy Resort, together with our renowned scientist, Dr. Fred Zulli, CEO of Mibel Biochemistry from Switzerland. Welcome, Dr. Fred. Yeah,
Nice.
I would like to ask a very question, which generally how the plant stem cell works and what is the technology?
Yes, so our plant cell technology is called PhytoCell. And this technology, we can grow stem cells from plants, for example, apple. Then we harvest these plant stem cells, we make an extract of these stem cells, and this serves as a nutrient for our body stem cells.
Oh, I see. So you see, in the market, there are people talking about human stem cell, animal stem cell, and also plant stem cell. And one question they also ask, how can the plant stem cell live so long in the apple stem cell?
There's no real living stem cells in our product. There's dead extracted stem cells. This is why it has a long shelf life, good stability. It has very good activity, safety, and is multifunctional.
Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how it works, yeah, on the plant stem cell. There's so many people has been benefited, lots of thousand testimonial. And the last question is, if any illnesses like cancer patients, diabetes, or any pregnancy, anyone can consume?
Yes, it is an absolutely safe product, so there's no problem to consume it if you're pregnant, ill, or diabetic, or whatever.
Or even if you're taking medications, can they consume the plant stem cell as well?
Yeah.
Yes, that is where PhytoScience will be collaborated with Dr. Fred for the last 13 years. Am I right?
Yes.
And we are the pioneer of
This
plant stem cell. So which is carrying on double stem cell and crystal cell. Thank you so much for the support all the way. And we are looking forward for more new products coming soon 2026. Which is what is the new product that you're going to supply to PhytoScience?
It's going to be Mona Juventa for longevity.
Wow, that is an amazing product. Yeah, so whoever wants to look younger and healthier, make sure consume with PhytoScience together with our great inventor, the world-renowned scientist, Dr. Fred Zulli. Thank you so much of your time. Thank you.